I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by proving ownership. Use the email or phone registered to the account. On the Discord login page, click Forgot Password and enter that address. Once done, open your inbox and search for the reset message. Check spam or promotions folders if it doesn't appear. Make sure you're checking the exact email account and not a similar address, because a minor typo will send the reset somewhere else and stop the process cold. After you follow the reset link, create a new password that's both long and unique. This prevents reuse attacks later. Once logged in, immediately enable two-factor authentication with an authenticator app rather than SMS for stronger protection. If the reset link failed or you don't receive messages, try the phone recovery option or request another reset. Rate limits may require waiting a few minutes. Also, review authorized devices and sessions, and revoke anything you don't recognize to stop persistent access. Finalize by saving backup codes and storing them in a secure place, like a password manager, and revoke any third-party apps or sessions you don't recognize. If you can't access the email or phone anymore, don't try workarounds. Instead, gather proof of ownership, ID, purchase receipts, server admin confirmations, and contact Discord support through their official form. Make sure to explain the situation clearly. Troubleshooting tip: if support stalls, double-check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.